Phocuswright Conference I founded in 1994, and originally it was all the big CEOs that were making a success. And we were committed to making that the centerpiece of a lot of other things to mirror what goes on in the industry more. And that's where the Travel Innovation Summit came on. Over the years, we came up with this idea. The rising stars of the industry could not get authorization at their company to come to the event. Very expensive, and reserved for the senior-most people. So we created the Young Leader Summit where they had to apply internally and externally, and they get sponsored by their company to come and turn it into a networking and educational event. And it's worked like a dream. It used to be called 30 Under 30. I don't know what the age limit is anymore, but it has sold out every single year. And in the greater scheme of things, now we have all the big CEOs, startups, young leaders, and when you put it all together, it really makes for a special event.
And I think we're in our 7th year of the program now, so I'm sure you've seen guys and girls who started, in those early days who progressed to go onto stage and lead companies.
It's great to watch them develop. For sure there have been a lot of success stories. I used to be an adjunct professor at New York University, and I created this new program around internet and travel. And same thing there, I have students, ex-students, that are quite successful in the industry now, and we still love to joke about those earlier days. It's just something very important you do, and part of it is giving back a little bit, because I can't remember anymore, but I was young once.
So tell me, you were speaking this morning, you did a session with the young leaders before they started today. What advice did you give them?
I told them to ignore a lot of what I call the cliches in the industry. One of my favorite is what's more important, timing, team, or product. When they're all important, just to get them to force to commit. I'm big on timing, and most people would answer team, and so both those things foster good conversations.
And then obviously over the course of this summit they've had some breakfasts with some leaders, some established players, and that's very important for them to be able to touch base and actually talk to people they might think are out of reach almost.
I think that's one of the coolest things, because by coming you can maybe meet the CEO of TripAdvisor or Priceline Group. And when we ask those CEOs, would you please spend time with the young leaders, it's almost always yes. So isn't it amazing how something that's actually very easy to do, but if we didn't insert ourselves and create this, you're right, those young people would never interface with these folks.
Brilliant. Well, thanks for your time, Philip.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Cheers.